children, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Monami, can you tell me what is this?
This is a bell.
Yes, this is a bell and it has a sound. Similarly, all of the 26 letters in the English alphabet have different and unique sounds. Let us hear how they sound.
Letter A. I have two sounds. A, 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 a as in apple and A, 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 a as in ape.
Letter B. B, 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 b as in ball. Letter C. K, 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 k as in cat. Letter D. D, 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 d as in drum. Letter E. I have two sounds. E as in elephant and E as in eagle. Letter F. As in feathers. Letter G. G as in girl. Letter H. As in hat. Letter I. I have two sounds. I as in igloo and I as in ice cream. Letter J. J as in jug. Letter K. K as in kite. Letter L. Lion. Letter M. Monkey. Letter N. Nest. Letter O. I have two sounds. O as in octopus and O as in ocean. Letter P. P as in parrot. Letter Q. Quack as in queen. Letter R. As in rose. Letter S. As in ship. Letter T. As in tiger. Letter U. I have two sounds. A as in umbrella and U as in unicorn. Letter V. V as in van. Letter W. W as in watch. Letter X. X like in box. Letter Y. Yeah as in yo-yo. And the last letter, letter Z. Z as in zebra.
Yay! It was fun to learn the alphabet A to Z. Friends, do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Bye.